Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the special edition Mobile Edge Core Gaming backpack, and this has the molded front. Also comes in a front that has Velcro for patches or whatever else you want to attach to the front of your backpack. Here's some details. You can pause at any time to take a look. All the details will also be in the description below, but this is good for TSA checkpoints. You can fit up to a 17 or 18-inch gaming laptop in here. It has quick charge external USB ports, and we'll show you all the ports when we get to it in just a moment. So you can, like I said, pause the video and see all those details. Here's some quick information about the backpack and its various features, but again, all that will be in the description. So now we'll get inside the bag. Under the first zipper up front, this is the molded front. It's a nice hard front right here to the backpack. You have several pockets for charging, memory storage, your ID card up here, right there. And then what's interesting about this, it has a pass-through for a cable. The cable comes pre-installed in the backpack, and I have this Anker PowerCore 3 battery. It's 19,000 milliamps that I'll be putting in here. It has 3 ports right there. So just simply slip it into this pocket right here, and then you take this and plug it in. And then the external port on the backpack, and we'll show that to you, has power. Okay, and then further inside this part of the backpack, you have pen holders and looks like more card holders. There's a bunch of these holder pieces right here. Okay, and now the second storage compartment area. This is more of a accordion design, so you can put things in here. This has a zippered back with a mesh pocket right here. So the mesh pocket goes the entire width of the backpack. And then inside, this is a nice fleece lined area for your tablet, or you can put your gaming system in here, like the Nintendo Switch. Goes in right there. It fits all the way to the top, so that's nice. It'll protect the screen and the Joy-Con controllers. There's also 2 small mesh pockets at the base, and so here is where the power cord is installed on the backpack, and it's installed right here on the side. So if you take a look here, this is where the fast charging USB 3.0 port is located, and that's plugged into the Anker battery that's inside. Okay, and now we're going to go further in to the backpack. Also, there is a cable pass-through port right here for the backpack, so you can go into the back part of the backpack if you need to. Alright, and then here's the back part. So it says it's checkpoint friendly. This is Velcroed in. This whole backpack comes apart all the way down to the very bottom, and then you can fit whatever very large item you want back here. 17, 18-inch gaming laptop right here, and you have the Velcro, which is nice. It says scan fast. Okay, and now we'll go to the other side of the backpack so you can see the back part. Okay, here's where the shoulder straps are. There's a piece here that's connected. You can of course undo that. And then this part will fit over luggage. So you can have roller luggage right here with the arm piece that goes up through the middle. And as you can see, they're raised back parts so that when this bag is fully loaded, it won't be that difficult to carry. Okay, so those are the shoulder straps, and they are padded, and they have extra pieces up at the top to attach things as well too. Okay, and then on this side, very long pocket. So this goes all the way to the base of the backpack right there, all the way to the bottom. And then going into this part, you can see those 2 small mesh pockets and the larger one up top. They're all zippered. All the mesh pockets are zippered. There's even a back part to this mesh pocket right there. And there's the inside of that flap section. And then as you can see, here's the cable pass-through for the charging, and we have the battery installed. Okay, now further in Here's where we had all those pen holders and card holders, and then there's a key catch at the very top as well. So you can put your keys in here and they won't damage anything. We have the battery from Anker installed. It's a PowerCore 3, 19,000 milliamp battery. So all together, this is the Core Gaming backpack, and you can get it in two different styles. This one is the molded front, and they have one with the Velcro as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.